Howdy YouTube, and I'm hungover. What a way to start. Alright, let's go outside, see what Heidi's doing, and give you some updates. One of them's the announcement we've been wanting to give you.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
First of all, the weather's beautiful outside, considering we're in the 40s, and we're going to be in the 50s in the next couple days, which is, again, really good for December. Heidi got her Christmas gift early. Tell me if you guys might want to see her do this on the channel once she learns how to operate that thing. I was thinking about that. I'm going to give you some seat time with her. That sounded dirty. Anyways, that'll give her some time to maybe talk with you guys. This is in something that she was doing photography, but that kind of went to the wayside. So we got her a metal detector instead.
Not real smart.
Anyways, let's go back to what I was saying. First thing is we got to check to see if this leak showed back up, and then her and I's going to sit down and do this announcement. Well, you can see the water's still coming off the awning there, and it's definitely on top. That's a good sign, because if it's just sitting there on top, that means it didn't make it in. Hopefully. Let's go look. All right. God, this reminded me of yesterday. Whew. Yeah, Heidi took me out and tried to get me drunk and take advantage of me. Anyways, yeah, I did a little bit too much. Okay, so far so good. So far so good. Kind of like the guy that fell out of the building. As he was falling, people on each floor could hear him. So far so good. I gotta pull my glasses down. There is absolutely no nothing. Okay, that's got to be it. Like I said, there's water still sitting out there on top of that. I'll leave this off for a few days, and yeah, good. That's all it was. Yeah, somebody had said they have a rock when they had a window leak, and something about once the water got in, delamination. It wasn't that much, and I don't think the water was getting in. I mean, if you think about it, it was getting in between the window and the wall on the outside, you know, on the opposite side here. But it was making its way into the frame and exiting. And it was exiting in the same amount that it was entering the frame. I did that with the water bottles. The water that I added outside, whatever I seen disappear in the frame, I came inside and it pretty much showed up here. And that's because on the opening of these windows, they do put a seal inside to help with anything like that may have come in. I don't need to remove the whole window. I mean, I could, and it's not a big deal, but I just don't think there's any reason to. Again, there's a warranty. I could take it in and they could, you know, tell me what's going on, but I'm good with this. If it's not leaking, I'm happy. All right, let's get Heidi in front of the camera here. Probably not real soon, but for you guys, it'll be immediate. So I can get this video posted about our announcement. It's going to be fun. All right, so we're back sitting down in the RV, and unfortunately, we're out in the driveway. But we had a couple announcements we were going to make. This video is going to be really short. Just that little bit that we just saw, and then these announcements as far as get-togethers. We've had a lot of requests for quite some time now to maybe have some sort of get-together, some kind of gathering, and we're throwing this together kind of at the seat of our pants, and it will give you enough time to plan for the later one. The more close one, though, is just telling us you're at the show, and you know, if you want to meet up, just grab us or try to find us. We'll try to connect with you somehow. Just message us, whatever you want to do, through Facebook, YouTube. It doesn't make a difference. We might be able to arrange something. Now, this isn't like an official meetup. We're just telling you where we're going to be, and if you want to hang out with us or just talk with us. I don't know why. I do so much talking on here already. But if you want to just interact, that's fine. That's great. We have no problem with that. So the first little get together we'll have, or the ability to just hang out, is going to be at the IX show.
January 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. So it'd be Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah, the show goes until Sunday.
Yeah.
But we'll leave on Sunday. We're going to go up, get a hotel. We're not going to take the RV. There's probably no way for you to really. I guess you could potentially somehow take the RV up there and stay, but it's not like Lazy Days. It just doesn't work that way, and it's awful cold. The couple of years we've been up there, there was snow, lots of snow. But yeah, we're just going to catch a hotel up there, and we will be up there, like she had said, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So that's at the IX show. It's an indoor, it's the Ohio RV Supershow. As I tried to explain to other people, it's not Hershey, Pennsylvania. It is not nearly that big. However, this one's all indoors, and it's at a much lesser havoc kind of rate. You can easily go spend a little bit more time with each unit, and it's like up and down aisles. It's like a shopping, like a grocery store. It's real easy to navigate. You don't get lost. Yeah, it's really organized. The food and the beer up there is expensive. I do remember that.
Water's expensive.
Yeah, even the water's expensive. But I mean, the fact that it's indoors, it's pretty. That's why we go back every year, and that's how we got this RV. Matter of fact, I talked with Ruff's RV about the window leaking, and asked if they were going to be there, and he said absolutely. And then I said, "Are you going to be bringing in the new 2604?" And now it's an SW. Ours is a WS. You can't buy this RV any longer new. You can only get it from dealers that have them on their lot already. So yes, you can get them new that way, but you can't order one. You can't get any special interior, nothing. They're already built. All the WSs that are going to be built have already been built. They changed the model number, and now it's called an SW, and they made some changes, and I some of them are good, some of them are bad. So anyways, they said they will not have that unit there. They don't have them out in time. They haven't got them out like they wanted to. So it's nice. It's a nice show to go to. And there's other stuff to do. They have some seminars there. There's one row you may want to stay out of, though, a bunch of con artists that are selling stuff. You'll see it. Don't get me wrong. Some of them were okay. Like the campgrounds that are up there trying to promote their campground. That's real nice. So we're going to be up there for those days. No set time. We might do early. Might do, like I said, just message us when you think you might be up there, and we'll try to meet. Now, that's not the meetup, though. Thanks to Marcus and Michelle from Mark's Adventures, and also Herbie and his wife Mary from Red Jaguar 100. I don't know what his channel's going to be. He's trying to get his channel together. But they suggested that we should get some sort of a little get-together and kind of all three of us make a little trip. And that kind of turned into what I guess this is going to be. Right now, we have reservations at Pirateland in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina from July 10th to July 17th. And that's basically Friday to Friday. There's still plenty of sites available as of right now. Of course, as we go through the year here, those are going to start filling up. So if you want to get out there and you want a site, you may want to talk to somebody now.
Yeah, and if we get if there's quite a few people that do show up, we can possibly rent a pavilion.
Right.
And have a little get together for a day or whatever. Cook out. If everybody's camping, maybe we could all bring a covered dish and just chill out and get to know one another.
Yeah. Now, if you're in the area or you're going to be down and you don't have your RV,
right,
you can still come in. It's $3, and that allows you per person. That allows you for 8 in the morning to like 11 at night. So if you want to come up and do that. All during those days, we're going to be there. So if you want to reserve in the park one of those days, or you just want to hang out with us or meet us on one of those days, any of those days are fine. Just, again, you'll have to communicate. We're not setting aside one specific day for a big blowout until we find out maybe how much interest is going on. And even then, we really, again, seat of the pants, but we've got enough time. We should be able to plan something. We were told that they do have some sort of an open area that is enclosed to some extent, that has ceiling fans. It's not air conditioned, but if we had enough people that weren't in RVs or were too spread out or something, we could all congregate there. It sounded like it's going to be a nice time. The fact that we'll have Marcus and his wife and Herbie and his wife there, that's going to be fun. So if you guys want to jump into that, just send us a Facebook message or a YouTube message on this video, something. And even an email if you want to do that. And just saying, yeah, I'm definitely going to go. There's no doubt about it. Or just say, I'm thinking about it. Or you could say, hey, I can't make it. I'm in, Australia. I can't make it over there. That's fine. It's just to give us an idea over these next few months how big it potentially could get. And if you say you can go and you can't, that's fine too. I mean, we're just trying to get a head count. We've talked to the campground. Our site is 203. I think that Marcus is on 202, and I think Herbie's on 201. So those three sites obviously are taken, but if you want to look at their map, which is online, I'll put a link down below for the campground. That'll at least show you about where we're at. And then if you want to try to fill in, or just tell them at the front desk, if you want to make a reservation, say, I want as close as I can get to site, 201, 202, 203. Or if you guys don't want to be near us 24 hours a day, that way you can get the furthest site away from 201, 202, 203. And again, there's plenty of sites down there. We didn't know how to really we didn't want to do a get-together necessarily in Ohio, even though we enjoy a lot of places around here.
We still might do something.
Yeah. But the whole idea, I would think there'd be more people that's willing to go to Myrtle Beach than there is to Ohio.
Plus, we're given a big notice.
Yeah,
You got time.
Yeah.
Other than reservations.
That's exactly right. So that's what our announcement is. Was it super huge? Well, it is for us, but no, no pressure, nothing like that. Don't expect a lot. We're just normal people. We're not going to have, Casey and the Sunshine Band there and, as an opener and AC/DC filling out the night. I mean, it's nothing like that at all. It's just going to be bring your lawn chairs and hang out with us, if you would like. As far as filming, I don't know if I'll be filming a lot of that, but I'm sure we'll capture some stuff. And we're really looking forward to it. We really like to see how many people might be interested in doing it. So, again, just give us some kind of a feedback on some sort of ways of connecting with us. Like I said, Facebook, I don't know about Instagram. I guess there's some messages come through our website, I suppose. We get emails occasionally from there. We don't really push that website at all. We haven't done anything with it. I just pay for it and let it be there. I don't even know what it's for, to tell you the truth. But yeah, just try to contact us and let us know what you think. And if everything goes smooth, it'll be a decent turnout.
It'll be fun.
And if that's the case, then this closing will be even more significant than normal.
As always, hope to see you out there. Bye.
Bye.